Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair dropped 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The Ultimate Oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
European shares kicked off the week on a tepid note as investors fretted over the possibility of fresh COVID-19 lockdowns, while miners were hit the most following a tumble in metal prices. A bipartisan team of U.S. senators is introducing a bill to narrow some cryptocurrency tax reporting rules that were laid out in the infrastructure legislation that's set to become law. Tesla Inc.'s shares tumbled again on Monday, taking the electric car maker's market value below $1 trillion for the second time in 4 sessions, as investors reacted to CEO Elon Musk's recent stock sales.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's ILO unemployment rate will be released at 0700 GMT. The US retail sales at 1330 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 0030 GMT. Japan's machinery orders will be released at 2350 GMT. Japan's tertiary industry index at 0430 GMT. The UK's claimant count change at 0700 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.